Hi, welcome back to How to Tech Well. You can add or change a thumbnail to one of your uploaded videos in the YouTube Creator Studio. So to get to here, navigate to your main channel page by clicking on this circle in the corner and clicking My Channel. This takes you to the front page of your channel, and then you want to click this blue button here that says YouTube Studio. At the moment, YouTube's creating this beta version, which is still not quite all together yet, and it doesn't have some functions. So we're actually going to go to the bottom of this panel here and click on Creator Studio Classic, which takes you to the old version of the Creator Studio. You can click skip if you want there. So now we're into the main Creator Studio. You've got a list here of all your videos that you've currently uploaded. If you've only uploaded one, you'll just have the one. And then you've got various analytics and different options and things here, which you can play around with a bit later or look at some of my other videos to see how to use. So go to the video you want to change the thumbnail for and click edit. You can also click on the title. That takes you to the same thing, and it will open the editing page for that specific video. So you've got your video box here, and then your title, your description, and your tag words. And then on this bit, you have your thumbnail settings. So YouTube actually suggests 3 thumbnails that you can use. These are just random screen grabs from the video you've uploaded. So to select one of them, just click on the box and it will have this grey board around it, and then click Save Changes up here, and that will be your thumbnail for your video. Quick, easy, and it means you don't have to do any kind of extra design work to create your own. But if you do want to create your own, which is a great thing to do because it really helps to catch the attention of the person watching the video, and you click Change Image. I've already got one uploaded, but otherwise this would be just like an empty box. And then you navigate to your thumbnail in your computer folders, and then you select it and then click Open. And then you can see it's uploading the thumbnail down here. Now once that's done, you go up here and you click the big Save Changes button, which turns it grey. And then your changes have been saved and your thumbnail has been changed. Now it might take a couple of days for your thumbnail to appear as changed on your YouTube feed. That's because YouTube takes a little while to update things sometimes, but it has worked. You just have to give it a couple of days. And then your new thumbnail will appear on your video in the search. Thanks very much for watching. Remember to give this video a massive thumbs up if it helped you, and leave a comment in the box below if there's anything else you'd like to learn. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great day!